The new Audi RS5 marks a completely new chapter in the history of high-performance models from Audi. For the first time in the RS family, a full plug-in hybrid powertrain has been introduced, combining extreme performance with the ability to drive in electric mode. The model debuts as both a limousine and an Avant, meeting the expectations of drivers who demand speed as well as everyday practicality. A widened body, aggressive bumpers, large wheels, and signature oval exhaust outlets emphasize its sporting character. The battery pack is mounted beneath the luggage compartment floor, slightly reducing cargo space, but helping maintain optimal weight distribution and a low center of gravity. At the heart of the new RS5 remains a twin turbocharged V6 engine with a displacement of 2.9 liters, revised to operate on the Miller cycle. The combustion engine produces 510 horsepower and 600 newton-meters of torque. It works together with an electric motor, delivering up to 177 horsepower and 460 newton-meters. Combined system output reaches 639 horsepower, while total torque climbs to 825 newton-meters. Energy is stored in a battery with a capacity of 25.9 kilowatt-hours, with 22 kilowatt-hours usable. In electric mode, the car can travel more than 84 kilometers, according to official measurement standards. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission in a transaxle layout, integrated with the electric motor. A key innovation is the electromechanical dynamic torque control system, which operates on both axles and actively distributes torque between the wheels. The RS Torque Rear Mode allows the majority of drive force to be sent to the rear axle, significantly altering the handling balance. The boost function unleashes full system power for 10 seconds at the press of a button, while the transmission immediately downshifts for maximum acceleration. The sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes just 3.6 seconds, and with the optional Audi Sport package, the top speed reaches 285 kilometers per hour. Advanced electronics carefully manage the battery state of charge, depending on the selected driving mode. In dynamic mode, the charge level does not drop below 20%, while in RS Sport and RS Torque rear modes, it is maintained at around 90%. This ensures constant electric support and full effectiveness of the torque vectoring system. The braking system uses brake-by-wire technology, blending regenerative and friction braking. The vehicle first recovers energy during deceleration, and conventional brakes engage only when greater stopping force is required. A new ABS 2.0 software improves modulation and response speed under heavy braking conditions, enhancing both control and safety. Standard steel brake discs measure 420 millimeters at the front and 400 millimeters at the rear. Optional carbon ceramic brakes increase disc size to 440 millimeters at the front and 410 millimeters at the rear. These components are approximately 30 kilograms lighter, reducing unsprung mass and improving handling precision. Braking distance from 100 kilometers per hour is just 30.6 meters with the ceramic setup. The suspension features a 5-link design at both the front and rear, while RS Sport twin-valve dampers independently control compression and rebound, allowing the character of the car to change noticeably depending on the selected driving mode. Engineers also redesigned the rear axle to fully exploit the capabilities of the Quattro system with dynamic torque control. Elastokinematic properties were improved to maintain optimal tire contact during acceleration, braking, and cornering. The body structure has been stiffened by 10% compared with the standard A5, and the steering ratio has been shortened to 13:1 for sharper and more direct response. The result is more precise handling without sacrificing everyday comfort. Despite its advanced hybrid system, the RS5 remains versatile and clearly transforms its personality depending on the chosen setting, from refined grand tourer to focused performance machine. The new RS5 weighs 2,355 kilograms in limousine form and 2,370 kilograms as an Avant, reflecting the addition of the hybrid system and battery pack. Production takes place in Neckarsulm, with first customer deliveries scheduled for summer. In Germany, prices start at €106,200 for the limousine and €107,850 for the Avant. The latest Audi RS5 combines electrified performance, advanced chassis technology, and cutting-edge drivetrain innovation, setting a new benchmark for the RS lineup in the era of electrification.